now is COVID pandemic. Why don't you have some rest and stay at home to learn something? I have long time not enough sleep. Roger, Superman. I need your help here. I think I have to go to hospital to have some rest.
Alright Batman. I am on the way. But I notice hospital has no more beds. You better go to nearby clinic. Oops. Please call ambulance for me. Thank you. What a coincidence we share the same ambulance.
Yeah, it is a surprise I see you here. But do you notice this ambulance is full of patients? I wonder why there were so many accidents and injuries tonight.
You are right. Hello doctor, where are all these accidental happened?
No, they are not. They are COVID suspects.
Then we're okay.
In ideal quarantine quarter.
Are you joking? Thank you, doctor, for giving me 1 month MC. Now at least I can take a good rest at home. But I think you have signed a wrong name here. I am Batman, not Breadman.
Forget about it, Batman. They signed my MC warn as well. I am supposed Man of Steel, but they put Man of Paper.